See, what I used to, I used to have a wire brush to get the top, not the bottom. I scratch the bottom up, but the top of it is what it does. A wire brush to brush all the dust off, the greasy dust off. Then I, get the wet liquid. How you get it off? You just wet it and got it off.
I just sprayed some muscle spray on there and add some Clorox bleach on there.
Oh, see, I used to scrape all with my little wire brush, scrape all the stuff off the top. It'll be a little easier. Then you go ahead and do your little liquid.
Yeah.
Because if you just do it like that, it's gonna be quite a bit getting all that junk into the rag or whatever. So at least you get all that junk off before you wet it. When you wet it, it's gonna turn into greasy mud,
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh boy.
And did you notice that the light was kind of dangling a little bit?
Yeah, I was gonna change that thing, man. Change the bottom. What you do? Screw it, tighten it up.
Yes.
Tighten it up. I was gonna change it anyway. I ain't want the full ball. I was gonna get one globe in the middle. You can change it. You can change the whole thing out. You want to have all these globes, yeah.
Yeah, I was about to say, to let me know if you plan on changing this light kit out, because I'd like to have it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The fan itself, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I was about to say, you plan on getting it changed sometime in the future.
Yeah, change it out. And, which ain't nothing wrong with the thing, but might change it. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with it. But,
Yeah, if you plan on changing out, getting it thrown away and stuff, yeah, I wanted to have. Yeah, I wanted to have it and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good fan. Got a good motor on it. Blow good though.
Yeah. But I think you should keep it though.
Maybe, yeah. Just change the light globe. That's all, because it blow good. I like 52 inches, because 52 inches get the best hair. I like them short blades.
Yeah, and that's the
Long
blade.
blades get a good best hair.
Yeah, that's what's the diameter of the fan up there, 52 inches.